As eyeballs move online and on mobile, it's just important to go there. But go there with big ideas. Do a certain thing at a certain time and are native to the online space.
The mattress category is something that IKEA is not fully known for, and we wanted to bring that to people's attention that we do have an amazing mattress range.
For us, we saw a really different opportunity, YouTube being kind of the key culprit for keeping people awake at night.
When people were on YouTube, that was our pitchman from IKEA, Jonas, and he would say,
"Why are you not asleep? It's almost 3:30 a.m. Do you not have a relaxing mattress with high resilience foam?"
And then we tell you how long till the next IKEA store opens.
Get one when IKEA opens in 9 hours.
This was all made possible by the Director Mix tool that in the long term results in better business results for us.
It really allows marketers to have production efficiencies. The end result was a really custom experience that allowed the consumer to receive a piece of communication that was specific to the content they were watching, but also specific to the time of night it was.
So in the first 8 weeks of this campaign, we managed to turn about 50,000 people from online shoppers to in-store at a cost of under $1.20 per visit.
We saw a 673% increase in searches for the IKEA brand.
we have this amazing thing. We can get highly targeted, talk to the right people at the right time with the right message, and make a beautiful thing on YouTube.